I'd like to discuss a little bit about, again, creating that learning organization. And with that learning organization, you have so many moving parts, from the executives to middle management to the engineers per se, if applicable, to the receptionists to what have you. How do you go about creating a learning organization so that all those moving parts are actually a part of that learning org?
Yeah, I think what we want to do in a case like that is look towards an infant and the neuro fibers of their mind and how many thousands of neuro connections are made relatively shortly, which means that an infant will learn very quick based on the environment that they're in. Um, and ideally, your learning organizations should be the same. It should be originally set up. Think of it as an assessment group. What is it we're going to do? We're going to sell flowers. Okay. Well, let's get 5 people here that are accustomed to learning and applying knowledge and making their processes more efficient. So we're going to call one person the purchaser of the flowers, another person the database owner, another person maybe the delivery person, and another person may be answering the phone. But what you do is you find out, how do we do this process? And we can see it. Probably a great example is internet ordering. But that's all they do. Here's your catalog, you make the order, done. Most of it's done electronically. Now, if you can just use that, I need, you select, you pay, it's processed, it's very, very simple. We can do those things very simplistically, and I would say probably very well today, because of things like Federal Express, overnight delivery, yada, yada, yada. But you need your whole entire operation, your engineering, your manufacturing, your marketing and sales, your service, your customer satisfaction, your warranty, your short-term, your longevity, your legacy. All that stuff needs to work together. So it's something that should evolve and grow overnight with as a plant, and it extends roots and becomes more solid. What we try to do now is we take over companies. What do they call those things? Joint ventures. They come in, they take 2 companies, they slap them together, they put a couple of people in charge, they get rid of some people, and basically they've done nothing other than renamed it, rebranded it. What you really want to do is you want to take company A, company B, melt them together. You want to consolidate the administrative, you want to consolidate the marketing, and you want these things to work interactively and very efficiently. We don't know how to do that today because of our educational institutions, where the problems really lie.